Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fauzan and I will explain to you all what is international trade and investment. International trade and investment play pivotal roles in today's interconnected global economy. Understanding their dynamic is essential for business and policymakers alike. This presentation provides an overview of global trade and investment, highlight key drivers, benefit, risks, and emerging trends. We will explore the intersize of international trade exam the basic of foraging direct investment, and discuss the importance of government, police, and institutions. Furthermore, we will analyze real-world example of successful international expansion strategy and conclude with a future outlook on global trade and investment. International trade account for an impressive 60% of global or GDP. Okay, number one is understanding international trade. International trade involves the exchange of goods and services across borders driven by cooperative advantage and innovation. Countries, especially in production goods or service, they can offer more efficiently, leading to increased productivity and economic growth. Comparative advantage. Countries specialize in product, goods, or service. They can produce at a lower opportunity cost, leading to more efficient resource allocation. Innovation, the continuous pursuit of new technology and product drive international trade, creating new markets and opportunities for growth. For instance, China has become a leading manufacturer with Germany excel in auto e-sport. Next, we have basic of foreign direct investment of FDI. Foreign direct investment (FDI) entails investment made across border in business, involving ownership of control of foreign asset. FDI can take many forms, including merger, acquisition, and greenfield investment. Ownership control. FDI involve according a significant stake in a foreign company, granting the investor control over its operation and strategic direction. Cross-border investment. FDI include investment made by company in one country into business located in another country, fostering economic integration. For example, U.S. company invest for 4,999 overseas in 2022. Next, we have benefit of international trade and investment. International trade and investment offer numerous benefits, including access to large markets, improved productivity, and increased GDP. By engaging in international trade, companies can reach a global customer base and expand their market presence. Large marketers access to 3.6 billion global middle-class consumer, driving revenue growth and market share expansion. Improve productivity, technology transfer, and best practice enhance operational efficiency and productivity gains. Increased GDP, global trade value at 32 trillion in 2022, contributing significantly to global economic growth. Risk and challenge. Trade wars. Trade was Trade wars and traffic exemplary by US-China tension disrupt supply chains and increase costs. Exchange rate volatility can impact profitability and competitive in international market. Protectionism. Rising protectionism with over 300 measures implemented since 2008, resisting trade flow and market access. Next, we have emerging trend in trade and investment. Several threats are shaping the landscape of international trade and investment. These include a shift toward regional trade engagement, the expansion of digital trade, and a growing focus on sustainability in trade policy. Number one, regional arrangement. Shift to regional trade arrangement like RCEP and USMCA foster closer economic cooperation among member countries. Digital trade. Expanding role of digital trade with e-commerce worth 5.7 trillion in 2023. Facilitate cross-border transaction. Number three is sustainability. Growing focus on sustainability in trade policy promotes environmentally friendly practice. Real-world example of trade and investment. Real-world example illustrate the impact of trade and investment on economic development. ASEAN, the Belt and Road Initiative, and Tesla Gigafactories provide value insight into global trade dynamic. ASEAN fastest grow trade bloc with 3.6 trillion trade volume in 2022, fostering regional economic integration. Belt and Road. Belt and Road Initiative impact $1 trillion in global investment, transforming infrastructure and trade routine. Tesla Gigafactory serve as example of global FDI strategy, expanding product capacity and market presence. In institutes, government policy and institutions play a crucial role in facilitating global trade. The WTO, bilateral, multilateral agreement, and tax in incentive all shape the international trade landscape. WTO role. The WTO facilitates global trade by providing a framework for negotiation and dispute resolution among member countries. Bilateral and multilateral agreement reduce traffic and non-traffic barriers, promoting trade liberalization. Tax incentive and free trade zones, such as those in Singapore, attract foreign investment and stimulate trade activity. Successful international expansion requires careful planning and execution. Companies should conduct through market reach, build partnership with local entities, and leverage technology in supply chain management. Market research. Conduct market research and risk assessment to understand market condition and potential challenge. Local partnership. Build partnership with local entities to gain market access and leverage local expertise. Tech and supply chains. Leverage technology supply chains management to optimize logistics and reduce costs. Next is international trade and investment are crucial drivers of economic growth of globalization. Opportunities about emerging market and digital platform. Collaboration and innovation will be key drivers of global process. Crucial for growth. International trade and investment are vital for driving economic growth and development. Emerging market and digital platform offer significant opportunities for expansion. Collaboration and innovation are essential for navigating the complexities of the global economy. That's all from me. My name is Makna Fauzan. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.